Dear faculty, this demo is about how to create and update Vidwan and IRNS profiles. First, let us see what is Vidwan. Vidwan is a database of scientists, researchers and academicians. This portal allows individuals to create their profile and showcase their academic and research achievements. IRNS is the Research and Information Management and Network System, a project of Ministry of Education, Government of India. Now, we will see how to create Vidwan profile. Before creating the Vidwan profile, we have to make ready our individual research profiles and the research IDs. These are the 5 research IDs we have to create. These links will be shared along with this video. So this is the URL, and this is, if you have any doubt how to make demo videos, links also given here. These 4 IDs we can create on our own, but Scopus ID we cannot create on our own. For that we need to publish in Scopus publications. Then we have to go to the Scopus website, and we have to take the details from the Scopus. So this is how by searching our name and affiliation we will get, this is the Scopus ID. So like this we have to take the details. After getting all the IDs, we have to go to Vidwan portal and register as an expert. We have to click, and filling all the details, by updating all the details, we have to create the Vidwan profile. After creating the profile will be like this. Here please click on these links and make sure all these IDs are correct. Okay, this Vidwan and IRNS are both interlinked. If we keep on updating the details in the Vidwan, automatically this will be updated in IRNS. This is our college IRNS portal. This is the URL. Please make note. And this is the information dashboard. Designation wise faculty details, category wise publication details, and department details. Here if we click on individual departments, same statistics will be displayed or department wise also. Here citation statistics. These citations are counted only from Scopus and SCI publications. And here top 10 profiles are there. These top 10 profiles are also considered based on SCI in citation. SCI in Scopus citations, not based on number of publications. Same way top 10 publications also based on number of citations only, this will be considered. These statistics to be updated, it is in the hands of each individual faculty. How to update we will see now. For that we need to log into our Vidwan profile, and here our IDs are there. Please keep refreshing these buttons. Import the details from respective IDs. Please schedule this as weekly once activity. This will help the overall institution statistics to be increased. Okay. Thank you. If you have any queries, please contact library department.